Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Bluetooth not connecting on iPhone Air. If your Bluetooth is not connecting on iPhone Air, then there may be several reasons for that. But let's first go to settings and make sure that our Bluetooth is enabled. So let's go to settings, right? And let's go to Bluetooth. Now I'm gonna disable it. And I'm gonna re-enable it. So now Bluetooth is enabled, and you can see I have my headphones saved in memory but not connected. So I'm gonna connect them. You should put your device that you wanna pair with Bluetooth into pairing mode, and different devices will be put differently. There are multiple videos on our channel on how to put a device in pairing mode, so if you don't really know how to put your device in pairing mode, feel free to watch watch a video on our channel. As I said, mostly headphones have been recorded, but also other devices like some gaming pads, keyboards, stuff like that. Also, they've been recorded. So yeah, for these headphones that I'm using, these are QCY MeloBuds Pro. I'm just gonna open them and then take them out of the case, and that's how they connect. Of course, I could directly put them in my ears. Now I'm gonna try connecting them. Okay, and now as you can see, it says connection unsuccessful, and it gives you an offer to forget the device. So let's forget it, and let's try connecting it again. But I'll disable and enable Bluetooth again to just make sure. And now you can see they have appeared on the list, and I can connect them. So that's really great. Now, if for whatever reason it didn't work, then make sure to reset your headphones or any other device that you're trying to connect. So for different headphones also it will be different. Here I'm not really sure, I don't really remember, maybe pressing and holding on a button or pressing on it several times. I really don't remember it. Maybe now they are resetting because it looks like it. But yeah, you should know how to factory reset your device to unpair the device from all the different connections that it has. And then you can also try reconnecting, but after reset it's also worth forgetting the device again and then trying to reconnect it. As you can see right here, let's connect them. And now, if it didn't help, then you should restart your iPhone. To do it, press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons at the same time. Then slide this top slider to power off your iPhone and wait for half a minute. After half a minute, start pressing and holding on the power button until you see the Apple logo and your phone will be on. I'm gonna omit that because it takes quite some time. It takes half a minute. I don't want to make the video too long, but now let's go to the next part, which is updating your system. Your phone should be up to date with the newest software version, so it's able to connect to all devices, and some bugs may be fixed that way. So go to General, go to Software Update, and if there's any update available, try installing it. It may help you with some issues that you may have. If this didn't help, then you should also try on your phone going also to settings, then general, and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset and select reset network settings. This will unpair your Bluetooth devices and also will forget all the Wi-Fi networks, so you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi as well. Enter your passcode, then select reset network settings and wait a moment. So you can see this bar goes to an end, but it may take a bit longer than just this bar going to an end, so I'm just gonna get back to when it's done. Okay, and as you can see here, I can unlock the phone, it's done, and then we should go to the Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna, like, it's not required now. Our Wi-Fi is not required, but I'm just gonna get to Wi-Fi so I can connect right now. So I just have it for later because it has forgotten all the Wi-Fi networks. And then we should go back and go to Bluetooth. And it actually didn't reset Bluetooth settings, so okay, it's worth knowing. In the past, I believe it did reset settings, but the Bluetooth settings, but okay, it turns out we'll actually need to go to Transfer Reset iPhone, reset, and here select Reset All Settings. But remember, resetting all settings won't erase your data, but will not only forget Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but also it'll delete your screen lock on your phone. So you'll need to set up new passcode and Face ID again. And also you'll need to do a few more things, including like, for example, changing your screen mode to like dark mode or light mode if it switches back. There may be several different settings, like all the settings in the settings app basically will be reset to default, so remember about that. But I'm gonna do it in order to actually fix the Bluetooth connection. Sometimes it's the only option, so I'm gonna do that. Remember, the data won't be erased, but the settings will. Okay, my iPhone's settings were reset. You can see I don't have a screen lock. Also in the settings, like I'm still logged into my Apple account, so that's great, but there's a chance your eSIMs, I don't think eSIMs will get erased, but I cannot guarantee that because I just don't really remember it. You'll probably be prompted about it. It'll tell you that if it's about to reset your eSIMs. Also, it's like my display settings were changed, so I'm just gonna change the auto lock to never. And now we can actually go to the Bluetooth, and it turns out it's still connected, but don't worry, even if it's still connected, it may have reset some other settings that prevented your iPhone to connect to a device. So now we should be able to connect normally. I'm just gonna do a soft reset on the earbuds. So just put them in the case. I'm gonna close it, I'm gonna reopen it and take them out. So they are in pairing mode. Yeah, now they are connected. So all of these things should be working. Like if you've done all of this, then it should be working. But if it wasn't helpful, then most likely there is a problem with your iPhone, and you may need to go to like an authorized service to know more. Maybe there is something hardware-wise that's happening on your iPhone and that you can't really do anything about yourself, so you may need to just get help from an authorized service. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.